let go. Okay, let her see. This is my dad and brother. My brother's helping. My dad's cutting the box of the microwave oven. It's from GE.
FD.
What is the G stands for? What's your company?
General, and the E stands for electric.
Electric, right?
Electric.
It's
Yeah.
General Electric company.
My dad's opening it. And he's cutting it open because it's so hard to open.
What?
Or should I say hi to the viewers?
Hi, Mr. Lovely.
Now we'll have to.
He's so funny. Don't ever stand him.
Okay, Mr. Lovely.
We're starting to open it. I can't believe it.
With your hands, you can open it. This is really scary, so maybe we have to take this off.
First, we have to take the gray
This
things
is
off
very
because
dangerous.
they're very, very dangerous to the little babies like Arshawn.
I'm a little.
You are 4 years old.
Okay. Alright, so wait. We have to be very cautious
Whoa,
about
cut
it.
it. I'm not open.
Don't open the cock sheet.
Look,
So Arshawn loves to open cock sheet. There's a mess over here. Oh my gosh. Right? Yeah.
You understand that we have this ones, okay? You want to come to closer or are you good from there? We actually have this one, so maybe we can open this. This is especially inside the plate, okay? I mean, on the micro oven.
See the blue space. Let's
If
get
one,
the
you can
cock
go,
sheet out.
you can go a little bit up there. I'm sorry, do not break it because maybe we have to return it. So if it's not good, we have to return it. This Richard told us that you have to keep the box in order to return, okay?
Yeah, you have to do that.
Super
You have a new TV.
Papa, how you can tell you?
You want to help me out?
More coffee. I love coffee.
Do me a favor, Arshan. Can you move this box for me?
Okay.
Alright. Want to see how it's inside.
Arshawn, put the cock sheet back inside. We're not supposed to get them out.
Yeah, I love coffee.
What adorable silly things.
No, do me a favor. Do not play right now because your viewers are watching you. So we don't want to do anything, okay?
That's so silly.
Okay, you want to help me out, Arshan? This is actually the new one.
Oh, sorry. Arshawn,
Okay.
I'm recording that.
Okay, Arshan, there you go. We have two.
Put them over there.
Alright. So this is micro oven, Ariba, as you can see it.
Oh, but what's blue color?
This is the cover up because otherwise.
I love blue.
Cool. This is so shiny. It's silver and blue, yeah.
Silver and black, I believe.
Yeah.
Maybe we have
We will put warm food, like cold food, whatever. And then we're going to make it hot from the microwave oven. It's probably silver, not blue. They put blue wrapper to make it blue. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Oopsies.
I don't like
Yeah.
this.
You wanna open this, please?
I don't like this one. Don't do it.
Oh, this is actually like perfectly good. Because we
Look
need this. This is instruction. Okay, we have to read it.
It's the inside of the microwave oven.
Rotate.
Do that slowly, Arshawn.
All right, thank you.
Rotate.
Now, these things we have to put inside, I believe so.
This is like a little ring thing. I don't know.
Which is turn around. Arshan, you wanna help me out?
Yeah.
Arsha's wearing a blue sweater.
See?
It's adorable.
We can put this in
Let's see
somewhere.
what's.
Hello.
I'm sorry. Okay, can you do me a favor? Step outside.
Arshawn, step outside. Don't do close.
I'm sorry. No, she's doing. your viewers not gonna like it. Do me a favor, just tap outside, please.
I am
But
one.
some is gonna think it's funny though.
Okay.
Closer.
This is like actually what's
I
good.
am a one.
Hello.
It's shiny.
You wanna see it? Hello. This is done, okay?
This is the microwave oven. We have the new one.
And
We have an old one, but it's like small. Like it's not small. It's old. It's broken at the spring.
Okay, I'm sorry.
So that's why we got a new one.
I'm gonna put
It's
it
very,
there.
very big.
And
Not
here you
big.
go. Ashans, do me a favor. Can I move?
We are going to the kitchen
Kitchen a little bit messy.
because, yeah, don't mind it.
Don't mind it, right?
Yeah. This is the oven. Oven stove. This is the new microwave oven, as you know, right? Yeah. So it's very, very silvery. And if you wanted to know how our old one, you could see it right here.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Ha! Good for you. Mama's putting the plug in.
Right here.
My dad's putting the plug in. You push a little button and then it right opens. There's a lot of dishes up here.
Can do it now, please?
No.
Hold on.
Baba,
Ashan.
Baba has
Ashan. Okay. You wanna come in here, Ariba? And
Put the cook sheet away. Ugh. This is the new one. Whee!
want to see how is it? It's a time pro. Remove software from use. Okay. 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 Alright, so that's it for now.
That's it for now.
Thank you. Thank you for